Hey guys, here's a video of the TFT dash display on my Triumph 300 RS. This is a 2020 model, but I think it's the same to the later models. One more thing I wanted to mention before I start is that I do have the Bluetooth connectivity unit, so you might see additional things on the dash that not all bikes have it. I also don't have the tire pressure sensors, so you won't see that on my dash, but you might have it if you have the sensors installed. Also, I don't have the heated grips yet. Winter's coming, so I will get them, and there's another thing that shows on the display. Let's get started. There's three buttons that control the menu. The menu button on the left hand side here, and then you've got a joystick here at the bottom. So it's got right, left, up, down, and press. It's got a few functions. And then on the right hand side, you've got just a home button, which gets you in the main configuration menu. Got a nice 300 image there to start with. Then on the left hand side, just pressing the menu button, you get to choose. You can choose this on the fly as you ride. You can change the modes. You've got rider mode, rain mode, sport, track. The icon is down on the bottom right, on, and then you've got the RPMs. This is the music. You can mute it, but you can't turn the volume up or down. You can change songs though. Next is the GoPro. Now we've got a GoPro. I paid it a while ago, and I think I got rid of it from the GoPro. I'll get back to it towards the end of the video, and I'll show you how it works. You can control a GoPro 7 and above. I did try the 7 black and the 12 black, and they work. It doesn't work with the GoPro Max, and I haven't tried models 8, 9, 10, 11 because I don't have one. You can start and stop the recording and turn off the GoPro. This is a navigation, turn-by-turn navigation. Works pretty good. You do need the app, the Triumph app on your phone, and you need the Bluetooth connectivity unit for it to work. Then we've got the trips, trip 2, and then you've got the status, the consumption, and then the temperature, the coolant temperature. And if you go down with the joystick, you get to the service status. And then you've got the contrast, that's auto, and then you go high or low contrast, and then you've got on high is what you will see during the day when it's very bright, and then low at night. And they change on auto. They change based on the brightness outside. In the tunnel will be dark, so it's not too bright, and then when you're out in the sun, it's gonna go white, so you can see it. Then you've got different styles. I choose style 4, that's what I like the most, but this is style 3. All the navigation, all the menu bits that you can change, they appear at the top of the screen instead of the left hand side. Style 2, similar to 3. Style 1. I think this is the most popular. Everything is a bit bigger. The RPMs, which I'll turn the bike on in a minute on this menu to see how it lights up as you accelerate. Then you've got the laps if you do go to the track, have a track day. So as you use the joystick to, as you cross the finish line, start a new lap. At the end can use the menu to find out your fastest lap and all sorts of other info. Now using the right hand side button, the home button, that's where you configure everything. Then you've got the riding modes. Rider mode, the ABS is set as road, map as road, traction control as road as well, and that you can change and customize that rider mode. Then rain mode, the ABS is as road, but then the map is rain, traction control rain. Then road, for road you've got the ABS is as road, map is road, traction control is road, so everything's road. Then sport, you've got ABS as road, map as sport, traction control sport, and then we've got the track mode. ABS is as track, map sport, traction control track, which turns off the traction control. And that's all the modes. Yeah, rider you can customize however you like. TSA, being that's the quick shifter, is enabled. Then the indicators, the basic works the best, but it's also got a manual and advanced mode. Advanced mode doesn't quite work, and you can turn the traction control on and off. And then again the service menu, you can see when it's due for the next service. Then the trips, again trip 1, trip 2, pick which one to display. Then we've got the display, again colors as before. You can also change them with the left hand side, the menu button. The brightness and contrast, so when it's on, you can control the highest. You set the highest and the lowest contrast. Then visible trays. This is what you want to see in the part of the menu when you navigate. You can just disable some things that, like, such as say SMS. SMS actually doesn't work with my phone. With no version of iPhone worked. So, and call history. Yeah. Look, you can turn off whatever you want from there. Then we've got the gear shift indicator, so that shows you which gear you're on. And then what language you like. Units, again in Australia we use kilometers, but you can choose the miles or whatever. Then we've got the temperature, again we use Celsius, in other countries use Fahrenheit. Pressure, I use PSI, but you can use bar or whatever everyone's used to. Clock, I like the 24-hour format, can change it in there. Date format, again we mostly use day, month, year in Australia, but other countries like it differently, and again you can customize it the way you like. What else? Bluetooth devices, phone book. That's where you search. You can add devices for the rider and different devices for the pillion. And that's where you unpair a device as well, if you want to get rid of it. Here's what you want. If you want to get notifications, as in someone's ringing you, or you got a message or whatever, you can disable what notifications you don't want to receive from the dash. And then laps, that's where you can see the history, and you can reset the laps back to 0. gonna turn the bike on to see shifting the gears, I guess. Second gear, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Indicators show you on the dash, right and left. Hazard lights. What have we got? The lights, driving lights, high beam. So now I'm spinning the wheel, and the traction control kicked in because it's up on a stand. So the back wheel is spinning but not the front. Accelerating the bike. That's what it looks like, the RPMs. This is just another menu. The most popular one I've seen on other YouTube videos. A lot of people seem to use this one. But yeah, that's why you navigate a little bit differently. Instead of right left, I think you go up and down to get to all these features. Back to my menu, style 4. That's what it looks like during the day when it's bright. And leave it in sport mode. And auto, that's how I like it. So then back to the GoPro situation. If I'm gonna unpair the GoPro and repair it, and that should get it connected. Confirm. It's gone. Alright, so I did fiddle with it and reconnected it, and then here is in action. So on the left joystick, on the left hand side, if I press the button, it stops recording. However, it does take a full minute to update on the TFT on the dashboard to show you it stopped. So here we go. So now it shows. I fast forwarded there, and again press the button, instantly starts recording. However, again fast forward after a minute, it's going to show on the dash. There we go, that is recording. That's the only delay you've got there. If you liked the video or it came in handy for you, don't forget to subscribe or give it a thumbs up just to support the channel. Thanks guys.